It's Caribbean and Tina. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to just another wonderful day. Hope everything is going good for you guys. Hope you guys are safe.
Yes.
And that healthy, and that you're just watching out for one another. Because that's what it's all about right now.
Yes.
So today we come up with a very, very urgent video, and it's about what the president has declared of the Dominican Republic.
Yeah. So I know that some people were saying, reaching out to us and saying, I got a trip coming up, Caribbean, and I'm going to be there in a few days, or I'm going to be there in, a week. Can I still come? I'm here. I'm stuck. Can I leave when I want to leave? I wanted to stay until April 3rd. President spoke on that today.
President spoke on that today, and I believe the Congress of the Dominican Republic has already signed the declaration.
For emergency, yeah.
And this is very urgent at this time. When I say urgent, I mean extremely urgent.
I'll tell you this. I'll put it like this. Our mayor here, Abel Martinez of Santiago, is literally, I think, one of the best mayors. Seriously.
Right.
For anybody that follows Alcalde, which is Mayor de Santiago, on Instagram, I'm sitting there today because it was his birthday.
Right. Happy birthday to me.
So I was taking him for a day out to the spa. I didn't even know if the salons or anything would be open, but luckily our nail salon, Pink Box Nails, was open because Bea is closed. And so I took him for his manicure pedicure. And I'm looking on there, and the mayor is literally on the street with the sanitation wand, and he's spraying and sanitizing the streets of Santiago. And I said, now that is a mayor. Right. That is literally somebody that you could look up to, because he doesn't just say it, he's about it. He was saying, when we were talking about the video you did the other day, where he was asking people to please stay home for 2 weeks. He was saying, I'm going to close the bars and the clubs. Now, because of the declaration, it's finally the president's on board with this also. So now the entire Dominican Republic is going to be on a 15-day quarantine. Only essential trips are okay, meaning just to go to the stores or anything else like that that you need. No non-essential trips. No, I don't care who tells you what. No flights. Yes, you can leave. They want all the foreigners gone. But if you're coming, you ain't coming. Because for 15 days, and I repeat, for 15 days, and people that have asked, thank you to the viewer that sent the link. We posted the link of the president's speech written so that you could do Google Translate over it if you don't speak Spanish. It definitely says that things will be suspended for 15 days. Right. So that is flights, boats, cruises. Last time I checked, that's the only way you can get here.
That's it. You can't swim.
If you can't do all that, then you ain't getting here to the DR. It's basically shut down. Rightfully so, like I said, because Santiago had it right. You have to shut this down. You have to contain it. You got to put a lid on it and let the chips fall, and then see where we're at after that. So thank you, God, to the president for saying, this is what we're going to do. I'm declaring a state of emergency. I'm going to make sure that we get essential things like food still in that we need, medicines that we'll need, testing that we need. Fuel.
Still get fuel brought in. And the things that we need to survive. And the grocery stores, the shelves will stay stocked good. And we'll live life as normal, but not normal. Just being home, still in paradise.
That's normal for us, I feel like. Our kids said it best. Like, we talked to our son today, and he was like, well, that's a normal, you guys being at home, having something to drink, and mom cooking is normal. And I go, yeah, that's pretty much my life all the time. Have I been living the quarantine life? I just feel like that's my everyday life, but
and now that I'm retired, I just stay home and relax, and just pray that everybody remains safe and there's no more new cases. Also, they said they're going to put people on ferries and send them to the next island, right?
Yeah, so they said that if you need to go back to your country, and I think they're mostly saying, although it is U.S. citizens too, but I think they're mostly talking about extranjeros, strangers like Italians, Europeans. If any of those people want to get back to their country, they were like, there'll be a ferry, be on it, because it's going.
Because I don't know if they have any flights going out of Puerto Rico or not. I don't know if they're shutting all that down too.
I don't know. Puerto Rico got some cases, so I don't know. Puerto Rico's in the 100 category, whereas we're not. We're only in the 20s. Reported. I stress reported because, again, some people haven't even shown symptoms yet, which that's why I think that we need the quarantine. I do. I think that we need to all stay our butts at home for 2 weeks and see how it goes. I mean, we're feeling healthy. We always take vitamins and things like that, but then we look up and people are partying and acting like just because they're on vacation, this is not happening.
And this is not happening. And they're encouraging the youth to stay home, be obedient, protect yourselves, protect your friends, and anybody can just have a good transition while we go through this process. It's something that must happen. It's got to happen.
And now it wasn't the restaurants. It was the bars and the clubs. Now it is, I mean, we received from our bank, we received an email. They said all restaurants will only go to delivery and takeout as of tomorrow. Today is like the last day, but literally we got in an Uber today, and the same guy picked us up twice because I was trying to get him to breakfast and to go do that. I mean, we're done, we're home. Like I said, we're ordering dinner in, but we get in the Uber twice, and it's the same guy, and I had to giggle, and so I tell him, I go, "Oh, you're making that money today?" And he said, "No, actually, you guys are my only fares today because nobody is coming out."
Nobody's riding, taking the Uber. Everybody's staying home. They're afraid, and
I don't know what I was listening and participating in conversation. I don't know if you were talking to the lady at all, but they were saying that also since they were cleaning certain public transportation, that they had cut a bunch of routes, and that public transportation was moving slower in Santiago because they were doing like fumigation, which means that they were just disinfecting. So that was affecting the women that needed to get back and forth to work. But tomorrow, as of tomorrow, that nail salon's gonna be closed. Like all these other places are gonna be closed. Everybody will be home.
Now these things take place tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock a.m. Things will look different for a few days, few weeks, until that we get the all clear sign coming from, and that depends on what the Minister of Health
declares to the
has to declare to the president how the process is going to go. We just wanted to keep you guys posted so you guys can know what's going on, because on this channel you will get good, current, accurate information. We don't put anything that's fake. We don't put anything that's phony. This is some serious stuff, and we want to let you guys know, because lately we've been doing a lot more videos. I normally don't do this many videos during the week.
But people are home. I mean, and it's like, and I'm surprised. Well, I'm not surprised. I'm happy. That's a better word. I'm happy that things here kind of are running exactly like. So Trump commissioned a group, which was the vice president and whoever else. Anyways, he has his, COVID-19 commission, and the president here has done the same thing. The Minister of Health is leading that, and I have the utmost, I would say that when they look into how this island is looking in a whole, and how many cases and what they're dealing with, then that's when they'll tell us it's all good, back to normal, or they'll say, look, we're going to need you to do X, Y, Z, and I'm willing to do it because I'm not putting anyone's life in jeopardy, and I would not want anyone to put ours in jeopardy. And they said that they are ready to take military action, and that they have already sent military to the airports. So if you guys are leaving, don't get scared. It's a normal thing here to see military on the streets with AKs and automatic weapons like all the time. So like, it's going to be a heavy military presence because they don't want no issues. Like, people got to go and ain't nobody coming, and it is what it is. And he said he has to do what he has to do for the health and well-being of the Dominican people. And I'm living here, so that's me.
That's me too.
So I say do it.
I say go for it. Because you're looking out for us. You know what? And this is, and like I said, I love this mayor. I love his drive. I love his leadership.
He's so amazing.
Glad that he was reelected.
I'm gonna see if I can pull that video.
Got my vote.
Yes.
He's got my vote.
He's awesome.
He's such an awesome guy. He's an awesome guy. I haven't met him before, but I'm just saying the things that he's done to this city. Walking down the street, like I said, and nice and clean. They pick up the trash. Trash trucks always running. So I'm just really happy. His drive and his motivation.
Like basically, this is him. That's him in the white shirt.
That's him in the white shirt.
Literally spraying and disinfecting to show that he is literally taking the stance that other mayors are not taking, and that he believes in the safety and the health of the Dominican people. Like, I don't know who else's mayor is doing that, but I'll tell you what, I'm living in the right city.
I love it. I love living here.
Say what you want.
I love living here because when we have merchants like this, we need to know that we got the local government, we got the mayor backing us up, pushing that button, and making sure, because shortly after he made his declaration as the mayor of Santiago, Dominican Republic, then the president came out and he declared a declaration. And now we have what we're going to have that go into effect tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, okay? So things will look different. We don't have all the answers for you, okay? We don't have everything, so, you guys got the same
internet we got.
Internet we got.
Yeah, so look up, I suggested always, especially when you're either going on vacation or on vacation, check the CDC, check the immigration, U.S. Embassy's website for that country, because they'll give you all the updates.
Right, all the updates, so you can stay current, because like I said, it's going to put a lot of people in the mix. I know you guys plan and prepare to come here, maybe to one of the resorts, hang out, have a good time, vacation. You need a break. One guy reached out to us and said, I need a break from New York City. I don't blame you. It's probably cold up there, and things are crazy, and new
Look,
hotel.
it's your birthday, but we'll have fun here.
But we'll just have fun here, and we'll relax, because we being safe, and we quarantined.
Yeah.
It's me, her, and our cat Milo, who's chilling, who's glad to have us home.
She couldn't be happier.
And it's gonna put a fork in a lot of you guys' plans. Our plans are interrupted. We're supposed to be preparing to go to a wedding in San Diego.
San Diego.
Oh, San Diego. I don't know why I keep saying San Diego, but San Diego.
You've been here too long.
You've been here too long.
San Diego,
California.
And then we were supposed to be doing his birthday trip, which was 15 days in Spain.
15 days in Spain.
But we're not doing it.
And Malaga and all that, so we have to shell that down. The borders are closed in Spain, so ain't no sense to even think about trying to jump on that plane. We're going anywhere right now. So when this stuff passes, then we can go back to the normal way of life, enjoy vacation, and share with you our journeys, our travels, so you guys can see what we see.
Yes. Safely.
Safely.
And healthy.
And healthy. So, like we always say on the channel, in the meantime, between the time, life is to be enjoyed. Don't forget that subscription notification. We thank you for all those that are donating and have given us contributions to the channel.
So we want to send a special shout out to Elvis.
Elvis.
Yes. And
peace, my brother. Thank you.
To Javier in Florida.
Javier in Florida. Yes, sir.
But thank you guys for contributing to this guy's birthday, because I was able to treat him to some special stuff today.
Thank you.
Before the lockdown.
Before the lockdown. Before the big
snack. Okay, I baked him brownies. And if you guys are following us on IG, I said, what you can do for his birthday, which is subscribe. That's free. Hit subscribe. And I posted a video today earlier of his little birthday shenanigans before everything started going crazy and people started telling us, by 6 p.m. you got to be out. But whatever, there's still delivery. We'll deliver all day.
There you go.
So this guy's going to get whatever he wants tonight for dinner. So
absolutely. So I'm so glad my sweetheart made some brownies for her brownie.
With Ghirardelli chocolate for you.
Soy la vie. Cha cha cha.
But to all of our friends, we send our love, we send our support. Thank you for supporting the channel.
Right. So, in the meantime, Twitter time. Enjoy your life, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.